Hi, Dr. Hatch. This is Ivy Fisher. I'm in your EDUC 6710 class, Understanding the Impact of Technology on Education, Work, and Society. If you look up to the right screen here as I'm recording my screen, today is Friday, April 18th. It is 4:45 p.m. I understand that you're still not able to view my Week 5 podcast or listen to it. And so I thought that I would show you that it does in fact work. I'm not sure why you can't, but I've had many people look at it and I just want to show you that it does work. Here I have my Walden folder. I go to our class, Week 7 assignment. I'm going to scroll down and click on my blog URL. Now it's loading. On my blog, the top is a class reflection that I posted today for a Week 7 assignment. If you scroll down, the second thing is a podcast technology questionnaire. I know that like in your screenshot it showed 0 for the time on both. However, if you click the triangle, it does load, and this time over here will change. So I'm going to press play and record this for you to show that it does work. To better understand the students that are currently in my classroom, I created a questionnaire that would help me explore the digital abilities and digital learning styles of the students in my classroom. It was vital to keep in mind the age of my students when creating my questions. I was not able to obtain permission to record my students' voices, so I recorded their responses in writing and will record my own voice while reading their responses aloud for the podcast. The first question I asked my students centered around their exposure to technology on a daily basis. The question was, how many TV shows do you watch each day? 5 students said they watch 1 show, 3 students watch 2, 7 students watch 3, and 5 students said they watch 4. While my students wrote down their answers, 12 of them told me that they watch 1 of their shows in the morning before school. Student A said, 3 shows. I watch 1 when I eat breakfast and my mom is busy, and I watch 2 when I have my babysitter after school. 1 plus 2 is 3. The second question that I asked my students was about access to different kinds of technology in their homes. The question was, do you have internet at home on a technology device such as a computer, iPad, or Kindle? 20 students said yes, and 0 students said no. My students' answers to this question showed me that my prediction was right, that 100% of them would have internet at home. When speaking with student A, her response to my question was, I have the internet on my computer and I have it on my iPad, but my dad uses the computer in the basement for work, so I can't always use it. It does have the internet though, and I use it when my dad is asleep. My questionnaire's third question asked about their interest and experience with technology and the internet at home. The question was, what do you do on the internet at home? I had my students mark yes to all of the answers that applied to them. 14 of them play games, 8 of them watch shows, and 10 of them go on YouTube. I had 3 other students tell me that they go on Google Images, and I had 12 other students say that they go on our classroom Facebook page with their family. Student B said, I play games, I watch TV shows. I go on Google Images with my brother, who is in 3rd grade. We look at cartoon characters and video game pictures. The fourth question was more related to technology used for academic purposes in school. My question was, does technology help you learn at school? 19 of them said yes, and 1 student said no. My fifth and final question dug deeper with their experiences for using technology for academic purposes at school. The question was, how does technology help you learn at school? Some answers that students attempted to write, draw, or tell me verbally for this open-ended question included Raz Kids in the computer lab, quizzes on the computer, and math games on the computer as well. Another student told me that our projector helps them to be less scared while singing new songs, rhymes, or reading books with the class, since we all work together at the same time on it. Other answers included taking pictures with the iPad to help them with Writer's Workshop publishing, iPad games to help them learn how to spell sight words, and watching videos on the projector to learn more about our science units. Student C said, "It helps me spell sight words out and helps me sound them out. I like the writing app that we have. It is like a writing tool, but it's not in my folder on my desk." From this assignment, I have learned that my students are digital natives. My students are spending a large amount of time using technology each day.
As you can see, my video, or my podcast, does play. Here it says 4 minutes and 6 seconds, and it was allowed to be up to 5 minutes. I hope that this will allow me to have credit for this assignment, as I did indeed do it, and it works. Thank you.